Friends, I'm making this video to give a little information about what is Jolly English. If you want to teach preschoolers Jolly English, you need this kit, which will have Teacher's Book 1, Teacher's Book 2, Pupil Book 1 and 2, and Practice Book 1 and 2, along with this flashcard box. Puppets are optional. So now let's have a look at what exactly is in Jolly English. So each book will have 8 units. So let's look at level 1. Now you will have the learning objective, target language, receptive language, focus sounds and skills. Okay. Now Jolly English is an English language course designed to preschool children who have little or no knowledge of English. It aims to provide essential English vocabulary. For example, numbers, colors, animals, and structures. Structures means simple sentences like it is a, I have got. So simple dialogues will be given here to for the children to practice. Now, the key feature is that Jolly English will have all the 42 sounds that are taught in the Jolly Phonics program, which will help the child to build up the phonemic awareness in an early age. It also ensures that the children are familiar with the vocabulary used in the Jolly Phonics lessons after when he turns up 4. So, Jolly English introduces vocabulary and sounds in the same order as the Jolly Phonics program so that it can be used either alongside or before Jolly Phonics. Now, the 2 levels of Jolly English can be used either in 1 year or you can spread it out for 2 years depending on the number of classes you take per week. So, I would like to point out the key features here. So, the first key feature is that the focus is on learning new words and phrases and on developing the child's listening and speaking skills. The colorful illustrations are used to present new words in context, and these are modeled on the audio. Let's have a look on the first unit, that is the welcome unit. So when you have to teach the welcome unit, you will have these flashcards and you will have the audio CD. So you have to play the tracks. Okay. So like in the first track, you will have the snake says, hello, I am snake. Then Inky, hello, I am Inky. E. Then B says, hello, I am bee. Z. Then you have to play track number 2, where you will have the song. Hello, hello, what's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? I am snake and I am bee. And I'm Anki, look at me. Then you will ask every child, hello, hello, what's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? And this way you are going to have the introduction of every child in the class on the first day. You can also play the game Pass the Bean Bag game and the child can give their name. So you can encourage each child to answer I am and his name. So you can have this game with any beanbag or any softball, any other soft object, and make the children sit in a circle and pass the beanbag and say their name. Then you will have the goodbye song, track number 3. Goodbye, goodbye, wave goodbye, 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 wave goodbye. Then you can also give the homework in the practice book where the children will be coloring and joining the dots. Let's have a look on any one of the unit. For example, I've taken unit number 2, my school. So my school will be divided in 4 lessons, and when we do the lesson number 1, the vocabulary we have to build up is pen, pencil, ink, crayon. So you'll have these flashcards with for the particular lesson. You will have the flashcards and you will play the tracks. What's on the table? Look, a pen, ink and a book. What's on the table? Can you see? A crayon and pencils. 1, 2, 3. Then you can have various games. And you can also give the homework. Now, lesson number 2. So again, you will have the vocabulary, parrot and ping. And you will use these flashcards to introduce the vocabulary. Now, look at my picture. It's a parrot. It's purple and blue and yellow. Other child can say, look at my picture, it's an insect, it's pink and blue. So always the second unit is going to help them to learn English as a language and speak the dialogues. So one child can give the dialogue. Look at my picture, it's a parrot, it's purple and blue and yellow. You can give the dialogues to the other child. Look at my picture, it's an insect, it's pink and blue. So lesson number 2 will help them to speak English as a language using the dialogues which are given. Always lesson number 3 will be a story. So you will have the related flashcards, and then you will have flashcards related to the story, and the children have to put the flashcards in the correct sequence. Also, they are going to learn some adjectives, opposites, big and small. So, lesson 4 will always have a song to play, and children will also learn some action words through this song. Like here you can see stand up, clap your hands, jump up, hop. So, through the song, they are going to enjoy the actions, and they are going to learn the action words, and they are going to learn the simple sentences. This way, we have all the 8 units of Teacher's Book 1 and then Teacher's Book 2. And this way, Jolly English helps the child not only to learn 42 sounds in order, but also helps them to speak English and have a strong vocabulary.